Crappy here. It's a cool, cloudy day today. I'm in Wisconsin working on the addition here. I got, with help from Brother Phil, I got the 2x10s laid in, rim joists on, plastic laid down, got everything leveled, square. Then I put in my blocking at 4 foot and 8 foot increments to aid with nailing down decking. And yeah, it's looking good. Now I'm gonna wrap plastic in between the joists, you know, kind of like an S pattern up and down over the joists. And I'll put our 38 insulation in, and that plastic underneath the insulation will protect it from getting wet and whatnot, humidity. And yeah, that's about it. Faced insulation. Then I'll put the decking boards on loosely so the contractor can do the inspection for the insulation of the decking. And I'll come back, nail down the decking, and we'll start on the walls. Yeah, 5 windows to go in, so that'll be fun. All right, talk to you later.